MQ-9 Reaper, heralded as the epitome of technological prowess in the realm of unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and efficiency in modern military aviation. Born out of the crucible of evolving warfare dynamics, this cutting-edge drone has redefined the landscape of aerial reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike capabilities. As a product of General Atomics aeronautical systems, the MQ-9 Reaper emerged as a successor to its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator, with a primary focus on enhancing endurance, payload capacity, and overall mission effectiveness. Unveiled in the early 21st century, the Reaper quickly earned its reputation as a formidable force multiplier on the contemporary battlefield. The MQ-9 Reaper boasts a striking combination of speed, agility, and endurance, making it a versatile and adaptable platform for a wide array of mission profiles. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 33110 turboprop engine, this UCAV can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour and cruise at altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet. Its extensive endurance, often measured in terms of hours rather than minutes, allows for extended mission durations, enabling persistent surveillance and prolonged engagement capabilities. One of the defining features of the MQ-9 Reaper is its sophisticated sensor suite, which includes advanced radar systems, electro-optical and infrared sensors, and synthetic aperture radar. This comprehensive array of sensors provides the Reaper with a comprehensive situational awareness, allowing it to operate effectively in various environmental conditions, day or night. The integration of satellite communication systems ensures real-time data transmission, enabling seamless coordination with ground control stations and other assets in the theater of operations. As a true force multiplier, the MQ-9 Reaper's armament capabilities are nothing short of remarkable. With its ability to carry a diverse payload of precision-guided munitions, including Hellfire missiles and GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs, the Reaper can engage a wide range of targets with surgical precision. This lethal combination of sensors and weaponry makes the MQ-9 Reaper a decisive asset in counterterrorism operations, providing military forces with the capability to conduct targeted strikes against high-value targets while minimizing collateral damage.